Good afternoon. Today we are doing shiplap ceiling. There's our ceiling. There's our shiplap. This is what it looks like. So what we'll do is we'll start on this side here. We'll run all the way up. We'll leave the very last piece off, but we'll go from here and start this way. We'll get the whole ceiling done. Hopefully be done in about 2 hours. So right now, what time is it? Let's see if we can do this.
Noon.
Right now it is 11:51. Let's see how long it takes us to get this done. 2 hours?
You might want, it's 9 degrees out. You may want to.
Yeah, it's a little cold though.
Might slow us down a little bit.
She has no faith.
No, I'm cold.
So we're gonna start here on this side, work up, and we'll put you on time lapse and let you check us out.
It should look good. I'm
Should
excited
really-
to do this ceiling actually.
I think we'll get started by noon because it is 11:51. So give us 8. It's 11:52. Get 8 minutes, get set up, and we'll start running this thing.
Boy.
Okay. First piece up.
Looks good.
Hand
Come out.
I need a clamp. Hand me like a big blue clamp somewhere. Orange clamp.
Here's an orange one.
Okay. You get the ropes going both ways.
Gas is good.
All right, guys. Hold that beside sweetie. Come on. I wasn't pulled.
Oh.
That was a lot better there. Okay, it is 1:17 and we have that much done the ceiling.
I mean, like 40%?
Yeah. We're not going to be done 2 hours, I don't think.
I think it's going to take us 3.
Yeah, I think she's right.
My predicted timeline is 3 hours. 3 hours.
Yeah, I think Amber's right. We're going to probably change this to 3 hours. Because we're going to get some lunch right now, too. We're hungry. So we're going to go inside and make some lunch. That's going to kill some time. But we're going to let you know. Right now it is...
1:18.
1:18. So we'll see how much longer it takes us. It took us about an hour so far. We're not quite halfway. So yeah, we'll prepare about 3 hours.
In 3 hours.
Okay, we're back from lunch. I'm sure what time it is. 2:08. What, about an hour for lunch?
Yeah.
Probably an hour for lunch. So we're getting back at it. Back on the bus. Okay, have you hold that side?
Which side, down here?
Yep.
Oh, good. How far in?
About right there. Here, you need to come out somehow. Why is this shiplap different? This is different size shiplap.
What?
This wrong fucking size.
This piece?
Yeah. Yeah. This one I cut off here. See the difference there? The face is different. That's faces.
Okay.
Okay, this is the third time in this piece.
Yeah, I got
This is the third time in this piece. The first 2 boards were junk. One board they delivered to us was not the right width. The second one started falling apart like a balloon. It just separated like crazy. It was like those layers of plywood glued together. This piece.
This one's good.
Because now Staples. Poke her eyes out, eyeballs out.
I'm so short. I'm not poking any eyes out.
You may not poke your eyes out. 4:20, 4:21 actually. Took us 3 hours to do this.
Just a little over 3 hours.
Over 3 hours. This we
3
have.
hours.
We have the ceiling done. This last piece I can't do yet because I need a wire up there. And we're out of boards.
There's a build, ceiling, 3 hours. Well, shiplap in 3 hours.
3 hour shiplap.
I see it looks really good too.
Yeah, not bad at all. Okay, perfect. Well, guys, we're gonna end this video here, and we're going inside to edit this, try to get this out. So, guys, we'll talk to you next week. Have a good week. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you then.